Clinicians are hungry for Miya Precision. So it's wonderful to see people getting excited about any developments and any advancements in technology. The thought of systems that integrate and communicate and talk to each other and have an overarching platform is just something that we've wanted for so many years.
We've described it as a modular EPR, and we've reassured the CDs that they can truly have their own bespoke, configurable solution. When they realised that they could have their own fields, their whole own data capture fields, data collection fields, clinical decision support, that was what blew their mind.
Miya Precision overlays any existing systems within an organisation and either enhances the functionality of that system, so in particular if data is locked into that application, Miya Precision will unlock it and make it more useful, or it complements those systems with further clinical functionalities such as Miya Flow or Miya Observations. So essentially it overlays all of these systems, pulls out all the data that has probably been locked there for years, pulls it into our open data platform, and it makes it useful so that we can build our own applications on top of it, but we can also build in other companies' applications on top of that data, which makes it more useful to the trust.
The supplier market has been far too used to telling customers how systems should work for them. We've decided to turn that model on its head. We work with the clinicians to allow the system to bend to the way they want to work. We get clinicians on board with delivering change in the software. They get really used to being able to make configuration to match their workflow to the benefit of their patients.
Miya Precision has been designed by clinicians. So the software is designed to ensure that each click, each interaction with a smart screen provides value and creates enhanced patient safety or supports a clinician in making great decisions for the person in front of them. Miya Precision is based on a consolidated FHIR platform. This moves all of the data into one central place, and it also allows us to extract data from a range of different sources. With this approach, it means that we can start to deploy things like clinical decision support, artificial intelligence and natural language processing. Clinicians have 1,000 things to remember, and if we can do some of the heavy lifting for them or take automation to that next step, we can reduce that cognitive burden that they experience and really start to make healthcare safe and effective and make the lives of our clinical teams much easier.
Everyone was unanimously impressed. If I diagnosed someone has sepsis, it would recommend antibiotics, it would refer to a medical team, it would involve critical care, it would arrange the relevant x-rays, and all of that is done without me then having to remember that, oh yes, now I need to go and request that and order that.
And then in terms of looking after the sickest patients in the hospital, having remote observations is just incredible. So overall, I see so many opportunities that will just absolutely support clinicians to deliver optimal patient care. In the past, sometimes it's felt as if clinical staff have to fit round an IT system. I don't see this as an IT system. I see this as transformational change that will have limitless benefits to the organisation.
The potential is huge. The trust is going to be a completely different place. It'll have a different atmosphere. It'll be more efficient. There is no part of the patient journey that's not going to be transformed.